Good afternoon, friends. Another video. Important GST change as proposed. Vide clause number 105 of Finance Bill 2021. For your understanding, let's take an example and try to understand. If you are a taxable person and you have shown your GST liability of 1 lakh rupees while filing your GSTR 1, and it was mistake on your part, it should have been 50,000, but you did clerical error and filed your GSTR 1 with 1 lakh rupees liability instead of 50,000. You filed your GSTR 3B and paid the correct taxes 50,000. So there is mismatch of 50,000 rupees. Is there any repercussion? Listen carefully. A new explanation going to be inserted under section 75 subsection 12 of CGST Act. And they're saying this difference of value of supplies shown in GSTR 1 and corresponding taxes paid through GSTR 3B would be considered as your self-assessment tax. So whatever value you have shown in GSTR 1, that would be considered as if your self-assessment tax. And it can be recovered by way of recovery proceedings under section 79 of CGST Act, and that too without issuance of show cause notice. Because section 75 subsection 12, starting with the non-obstante clause, notwithstanding anything contained in section 73 and 74. Try to understand. And here I would like to draw your attention. What department is doing, they are making that your GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B should match at all time. Not possible. If department officials are watching this video, try to understand. A registered person can make clerical mistake in GSTR 1. He was supposed to show 50,000, wrongly mentioned as a clerical error as 1 lakh rupees. Now he cannot revise his GSTR 1. He can only amend in subsequent succeeding period. Are you expecting that if I made the mistake and which I realized before finalizing my 3B, I should pay 1 lakh rupees, whereas I'm supposed to pay only 50,000? And you're saying it is self-assessment tax? Recovery can be initiated without issuance of show cause notice? It is very stringent provision. And just to recall, if there is difference in value of supplies in GSTR 1 and 3B for any tax period or more tax period, department is being empowered to initiate cancellation of GST number by Rule 21 of CGST rule, very recently amended by notification number 94/2020. Department has to understand that you have not given me a power to revise my return if I made the mistake. And there may be a clerical mistake on my part, which I explained just a while ago. You cannot consider that amount as a self-assessment tax. Please bear with me. You cannot initiate cancellation of GST number. We are not making GST good and simple tax. Try to understand that this registered person given some time, some reasonable time for any tax period. If value of supply not matching with GSTR 1 and 3B, it becomes self-assessment tax. Recovery proceedings can be initiated, that too without issuance of show cause notice. We have seen for the cancellation of registration how at ground level things are happening. Do not make such law which is complicating ease of business. That would be my humble submission. But this is one of the change as proposed by way of new explanation to be inserted under section 75 subsection 12 of CGST Act by this Finance Bill 2021. Keep tuned, lot many other changes in GST. So we are going to create more videos for you for the proposed changes in GST. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.